Honorable Speaker, as a former journalist for 14 years, I want to join journalists in celebrating World Press Freedom Day, a very important day, on which we remind government to protect the rights of journalists as they operate. Sadly, though, many times they face a lot of brutality from the state, which should be protecting them as they do their work. Our hope is that we can get commitment from government on this particular issue, but also to call upon the employers of these journalists, because as the state brutalizes them, their employers in one way or another ill-treat some of them, poor pay and all of these issues that need to be addressed. So hopefully this day is a good reminder to all the stakeholders to treat journalists with respect and to empower them as they execute their mandate. Right, Honorable Speaker, the issue of sanctions. In your communication, Right, Honorable Speaker, you said you are not bothered and you don't care about these sanctions. In fact, you mentioned that the only visa you are concerned about is the visa to Kenya. And so you don't care about the visas to the US and to the UK and so forth. I'm now surprised why then you seem very bothered. Because if you say you only care about the visa to Kenya, why do you seem very bothered and angry about this issue? I think it should not bother you.
I am not bothered at all. I am talking for 48 million Ugandans outside there.
That's all right.
And I am representing, I'm sitting on this seat for the 48 million Ugandans there. And secondly, I don't get handouts from those countries. There is an order.
I don't know why someone wants to put the speaker on order. Right, Honorable Speaker, no one has said you get handouts from these countries. We are talking about... Right, Honorable Speaker, we are talking about the sanctions, which indicated corruption, poverty, theft, and all of these different things. That which you're saying is a different matter. I don't know if somebody is accusing you of getting handouts from these countries. That has not come up, and that's not the issue. For me, my concern is, if you're saying you're only bothered about a visa from Kenya, then you shouldn't be consumed by this issue, right, Honorable Speaker. You shouldn't be, because you also seem to be rallying us to join you in being angry over this matter. Because your concern is Kenya, right, Honorable Speaker.
Leader of opposition.
But finally, right, Honorable Speaker, I want to implore government. Thank you. I want to implore government, right, Honorable Speaker. Government, do not wait for foreign countries to sanction individuals, whether it be involved in poverty, theft, in corruption, and so on. Take action. Why do you wait for that? And then you begin to complain. When you're going to beg for aid, you don't complain. When they say now that we give you aid, that aid is not stolen. He's asking for clarification. I'll get it shortly.
Honorable
members, as government, take action against corruption.
Leader of opposition. Leader of opposition. Leader of opposition. Okay.
So I would like to thank the leader of opposition for the submission he's making, right, Honorable Speaker. The clarification I want to seek from law is that for purpose of the Speaker, is there any record by any competent court of law in Uganda that has been involved in any corruption matter? Number two, is there, as far as we are all aware, that they took former colleagues who are our colleague members of parliament that before courts of law? Have the case been adjudicated and confirmed that they are guilty? So if we are talking about the rule of law, was it in order for that respectable country to impose sanctions on such individuals?
Honorable has something to say.
Honorable, it's not clarification from me. I thought in a minute.
Now give me a name of the speaker.
Okay,
Honorable Speaker, I think we are
Law maybe perhaps should be concentrating on more important things.
I want to, is it fine? Perhaps, Right Honorable Speaker, you're concentrating on 9 issues according to Honorable Below. I'm on the point. You're the one who raised the issue.
What law is talking
He's
about?
saying you're discussing that issue, Right Honorable Speaker. I don't know if it's in order.
What law is talking is important. He's talking about something important. But what I'm also telling law, that law, don't even deceive yourself that I am hurt. Me, the Anita, I know. Me, to be hurt over those sanctions. Forget.
That's okay, Right Honorable Speaker. Honorable Peter Ogwang was seeking clarification from me regarding rule of law. I'll educate you a little bit because I'm a lawyer. Article 28(3)(a) of our country's constitution talks about presumption of innocence. That's our constitution. Now, the way sanctions operate, and I don't know whether we should be discussing sanctions issued by a country which has a prerogative to issue their own sanctions. Sanctions are not subject. Sanctions are not subject of your local jurisprudence here. It's a diplomatic tool which
there's a procedural matter. Nathan, we have not started.
Right Honorable Speaker, we have spent about an hour.
Give us 1 hour.
Right Honorable Speaker, in one of your statements, you guided that the Minister of Foreign Affairs should come with a comprehensive statement. On a matter like this, the first expectation in diplomacy would be the ministry to summon the ambassador of the UK government and state the position of government of Uganda on this matter. And then be able to report to Parliament so that we can have a debate. Is it procedure right for us to continue discussing this matter when actually we have not had comprehensively on the steps that government has taken to engage the other country? Are we proceeding right, Honorable Speaker?
Honorable members, Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, who will expect a comprehensive response on the action that you've taken on this. And I don't want anybody to think I am burdened on whatever is happening, but I am doing this for anything on me touches everybody in this house. I am the leader of this house. So when I say, some of you have probably like, I have not said sage. I have not said stop putting sage in my mouth. I am not saying. I am saying some people have. You look sage. I am saying there are people who get their earnings, who sustain their livings in Uganda, who do accountability, using people's names, using the names of their leaders so that they account for we are doing work in the country. But that said and done, I want a comprehensive report from the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and I want actions that you will take. Honorable Obua, Government Chief Whip, I had talked about the fisheries. About the fisheries. No, I have read the rules. Check the rules. I've read the rules. No, I have read the rules. Honorable, can I hear about the fisheries? Somebody who was killed, people who are being killed in the fisheries areas. Somebody was killed in Iringo, another one was killed in Fortunate, you have something, you have to say something on fisheries. John, let him first give us the government.
Except that we are going to discuss about the awards, the service awards, and we said yes, we are going to discuss it.
We'll do it.
And probably can we use this opportunity to know so that we prepare ourselves over the same. Yes, because it shows that we are now committed fighting corruption.
There's a
yes, because in your chair you have guided that you are going to give a day,
searching. Even when you know you have all the favors from me as a friend to speak any time, when a government chief whip is standing to handle something that is concerning somebody, give him space. I know you have that favor from a friend. That is the problem. Yes, the issue of fisheries.